guys, so what's up? You see, this is my new pet bird. He has been, and he is one of my most favorite birds of all. Sorry to block you, but look, look what he can do, guys. Look, oh sorry, look what he can do. He can fly. See? Want to see? There. And then I'm Leon, so because he's cute and he's I sometimes wear a jacket. I love wearing jackets, and that's how I am. So guys, in the description below, please comment on how cute my bird is. Is my bird so cute? Or is he not? Is this again? He's funny. Okay, and guys, you want to see my room? This is my house, guys. I have watched Channel V in Colas, but I watched Jaden's animation, and this is the thing. And I watch Green Eggs on here. Well, I like that show. And you guys want to see something? You guys are the coolest. So, you guys want to hang out? My house is this. This is my whole house. I'm not sure pro Pixel Gun. Guys, comment down below if you love Pixel Gun. If you love Pixel Gun, so add me. It's called Dark Destroyer. My name in Pixel Gun today is called Dark Destroyer. Okay? So comment down below. You guys are the best. So guys, down below. Say bye, Leon. Bye, guys.